This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're going to assemble the floating heart box card. And I am going to start by folding this on the score lines. And I'm going to put the panels on. And you're going to give this a slight border all the way around. Okay. Then these fold down, and we're going to glue these hearts on. Now I want to do it like this so that I make sure that the top of my heart is not going over the score line. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this one in. I'm going to put this heart on with foam tape. I'm going to fold the score lines. Okay. Now let's pull in this one. I'm going to glue these two down. I'm going to put the other two on with foam tape. And I need a pair of scissors. There we go. So that is the second layer. And now this one, we're gonna okay. 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 And then fold that on the score lines. This is the back piece. So we're going to put our card here in the U. And I'm working from the opposite side, so forgive me. This is an older design as well. So we're going to okay. Now stand it up again. Put our tabs out flat, put glue on the one side, lay it down in front of the layer before it. There we are. Now take our front layer. We'll lay it down. There we are. Okay. Now you can see that our pieces here are cascading down. We're going to go ahead and put glue on each one. You don't want to put on too much. And then glue it to the side. Now my foam tape is making this all a little bit wonky, so especially on this side. So that's, especially when you're using embellishments, you really want to make sure that you are training your paper. Now we're going to put glue here, close it up Stuck that inside there. Close it up. Fold it both ways. Now let's take a look at it. There is the floating heart box card. Thank you for joining me.